Up at 31 Fox Yankee, right 245, it's at the localizer to 7.
Well, hello aviation lovers and welcome back to the Vliegpiet channel. This week we're gonna land at Amsterdam. It's gonna be the Polderbaan runway 18 right. And as a bonus this week I have the full 100. Descent and approach for you because it was very busy with air traffic control. Do you
50,
understand everything they're saying?
40,
Let me know in the comments
30,
if you like these types of videos.
20,
and for now, enjoy
10.
this one.
Brussels, hello, 17 Juliet, inbound Brussels, flight level 250, 280.
17 Juliet, Brussels, goedemiddag, descent flight level 200, maintain the speed.
Set flight level 200, maintain the speed, 17 Juliet.
Black 41 Romeo, contact Paris 128, that's 1275.
Yeah.
3128, 275, Black 41 Romeo, boy. Ryanair 88, Papa X-ray, descent flight level 60.
Descent flight level 60, Ryanair 88, Papa X-ray.
France 2 Echo Whisky, contact Amsterdam.
Ja, oké. Dus het kan zelfs 15 knopen cross zijn.
Wet. Oscar Mike Uniform, descent flight level 160.
Fuel 900. Ja, weet je, doe maar 1000 voet stabiel.
Oscar Mike Uniform, descent flight level 80. Approve flight level 80 and later on we need 20 degrees to the right to avoid. Oscar Mike Uniform, roger, report before turn.
Maar hij moet er ook misschien iets avoiden.
Ja, direct naar helpen. Dat zou misschien helpen.
Ja.
Gok ik.
Nou ja, of Hamza.
Ja.
Hamza?
Direct Hamza
Ja.
or heading north.
Yeah. 17 Juliet, we need either to Hamza or heading 330 to avoid.
17 Juliet, roger, you can report that to Amsterdam 130 at 1955.
10955, 17 Juliet, bye.
Roger, it was over 7 gold.
Oscar Kilo Sierra, climb level 190.
Level 190, Kilo Sierra.
Level 920, descent to flight level 100, maintain speed 300 knots for greater.
100 and 300 degrees, KL 1920.
Amsterdam, hello, 170, we need to avoid either to Hamza or heading 340.
17 Juliet, jet to Hamza is approved, maintain speed 280 knots solid.
To Hamza, 280 left, yeah, 17 Juliet.
Oscar Kilo Sierra, climb level 210.
Level 210, Kilo Sierra.
Level 920, proceed direct to river, then to Sierra Papa Lima, be level by river, maintain high speed.
River Schiphol, level at river Wilco, KL 1920.
36 Golf, direct to river, descent level 100 to be level by river, thereafter Sierra Papa Lima.
River Schiphol, KL 36 Golf en 100 bij river. Goedemiddag, dat is alweer 5034.
Xavier 5034, low, continue as cleared.
As cleared. Central Golf John 160 and landing flight level 115 and climbing 160.
Ryanair 37 Victor Bravo to confirm cleared level 140.
We confirm 140, Ryanair 37 Victor Bravo.
Charlie 12 is Alpha 4.
And are you able for a little bit of a right turn?
Yeah.
A from John 1660.
John 160, roger, right heading 340.
We're heading 340, John 1660.
17 Juliet, are you able for a left turn already?
Ja, toch?
Ja.
Confirm, 17 Juliet.
Left turn left on heading 310.
Left heading 310, 17 Juliet.
Amsterdam KLM 97 November level 115, coming 130.
97 November, hello, climb level 260 to be level at or before Amos.
Level 260 at or above Amos, no problem, KLM 97 November.
KLM 1 November, maintain the high rate please until passing 240, it's to enable the right turn again.
Maintaining the high rate until passing 240, KLM 71 November.
Ryanair 37 Victor Bravo, climb level 180.
80 and a 376 Bravo.
Oscar Kilo Sierra, clear of traffic, climb level 250.
Level 250, Kilo Sierra.
France 28 Echo Whiskey, descent level 70.
Descent level 70 from 20.
Als dat voor ons ziet het al uit als een aardige bui, maar ik zie helemaal niks op radar.
Nee, heel bijzonder.
Proceed direct to Torfel. Delta Oscar, Foxtrot, Mike uniform, standby for climb John 1660.
Xavier 5034, descent level 60 and call Rotterdam 122990, goodbye.
60 Rotterdam 1229, Xavier 5034, bye bye.
From 2 Echo Whiskey, call approach on the 121205, goodbye.
121905, you confirm France 2 Echo Whiskey.
121205.
121205, France 2 Echo Whiskey.
KLM 71 November, direct to Amos.
Direct to Amos, KLM 71 November.
71 November, you can make it direct to Remba, on request of Mate.
Okay, direct Remba, KLM 71 November.
Foxtrot India, Mike, call Brussels on the 127230, goodbye.
Brussels 127230, India, Mike, goodbye.
KLM 71 November, Maastricht 135980, goodbye.
135-980 by KLM 71 November.
KLM 1, Christian Oscar, Kilo, call Maastricht 135960, goodbye.
3596, bye-bye, Oscar Kilo Sierra.
And you now 1660, climb to flight level 220.
Climb to flight level 220, John 1660.
17 Juliet on navigation, Hamza, descent level 70.
To Hamza, descent flight level 70,
7 Victor Bravo, climb level 1990 and call Brussels 127230, goodbye.
1223 and climb 190, 3 something Bravo.
And from 21 Kilo Echo, descent level 180.
Descending to level 180 and from 21 Kilo Echo.
KLM 97 November, call Maastricht 135.980, goodbye.
135-980, KLM 97 November, bye.
KLM 36 Golf, the speed 280 knots.
Speed 280, KLM 36 Golf.
And from 21 Kilo Echo, descent to level 70.
Descending to level 70 and from 21 Kilo Echo.
KLM 1920, descent level 70, below 100, standard speed.
Descent 70, reduce forward to 50, KLM 920.
KLM 1920, maintain 70 upon reaching the traffic departing Rotterdam to the south, climbing 1000 feet below cleared level.
227, reaching KLM 190.
KLM 36 Golf, speed 250 knots.
Speed 50, KLM 36 Golf.
Via 17 Juliet, right to river, then to Schiphol.
River, Schiphol, 160.
You now 1660, climb level 250.
Continue climb level 250, John 1660.
And from 21 Kilo Echo, direct to river, then Sierra Papa Lima, cross river 100 or below.
Direct river, then Sierra Papa Lima and crossing river below 100, flight level 100 Alpha 21 Kilo Echo.
Also, hele goedemiddag, Via 1 Victor.
Xavier 1 Victor, hello, stand by short for further climb, descending traffic Schiphol on top.
Yeah, no worries, standing by, Via 1 Victor.
KLM 36 Golf, call approach on the 121205, goodbye.
1212,
No worries.
Ja.
Ik denk niet dat die verkeersleider echt zo
Xavier 1 Victor, direct to Woody.
To Woody, 19 Victor. Amsterdam Xavier 6259 is turning to Helho and meteen about
6259, roger, direct to Woody, climb level 060.
Woody 6259.
Descending traffic for Schiphol on top, further climb in about 3 minutes. Yeah, 17 Juliet, maintain 70 upon reaching, there's climbing traffic Rotterdam 1000 feet below cleared level.
Maintaining 70 for reaching 17 Juliet.
Xavier 19 Victor, you're clear of traffic, climb level 190.
Level 190 via 19 Victor. Amsterdam KLM 60 Zulu, good afternoon, descending 220 to Dennet.
KLM 60 Zulu, go proceed direct to river, your landing runway is 18 right, descend to level 190.
speed.
Check river, runway 18 right, descending 190, KLM 60 Zulu.
Engine at the eyes on, please.
17 Juliet, call approach 121205, goodbye.
11205, 17 Juliet, bye.
Alpine 3 Fox Yankee, right 245, instead of localizer 27.
Right 245 and it's localizer 27 Alpine 131 Fox Yankee.
KLM 180, speed 200.
Speed 200, KLM 180.
And from 2 Echo Whiskey, call 11840.
118 405, France 2 Echo Whiskey.
Claim 1235, climb 130.
Flight level 130, climb 1235.
Kilometer Alpha, climb 130.
Climb 130, kilometer Alpha.
Papa Bravo Alpha, climb maintain level 50.
Approach load 17 Juliet.
7 Juliet ILS, 18 right, Victor's Delta.
ILS 18 right, 17 Juliet.
Alpine 31 Fox Yankee, descend 2000, clear ILS 27.
2000, ILS 27, Alpine 31 Fox.
Wij hebben
Kramer
Bravo.
1235, call 124880, set standard QNH.
124880. En standard QNH, Kramer 135. Vrijwel de lijst gestel, goedemiddag.
Lijst Hotel, hallo ILS 27 bij de Delta.
ILS 27, Delta, de Schiphol, Bravo, Papa Hotel, Bravo Alpha, maintain 50.
Papa Bravo Alpha, goeiedag, climb flight level 70.
Coming 70, Bravo Alpha.
Kilometer Alpha, right to Burgie.
Burgie, kilometer Alpha.
Turkish 6 Bravo Zulu, call 19230, Gulde Gulde.
19230, zie net die juist maar uit.
1800, descend 2000, 101, clear ILS 27.
Set 2000, 101.
Even kijken, 18 rechts, maar nu ook 27. Maar goed,
Kellerman
wij krijgen
90,
18 rechts,
left
nog
heading
steeds wet. De wind is 2 met 7, variabel tussen 170 en 240. Maximum 12.
Air France 1 kilo back over
Minimum
low, ILS
5.
1 right, Victor's
zo.
Delta.
Ja. De bewolking is iets hoger, 1200. 16 graden en 1001.
Kilometer Alpha, call 123705.
705, kilometer 9.
Doei, kilometer 100, speed 180. Kilometer 96 Hotel, descent level 50.
750, nice hotel. Departure, goedemiddag, Consavia 75 kilo, passing 2900, good evening, Sierra.
Bravo 75 kilo, goeiedag meneer, proceed to QDOT, climb 60.
Good up, climb 60, Consavia 75 kilo.
Papa Bravo Alpha, climb flight level 130.
Flight level 130 for the Bravo Alpha.
Kilometer 920, call 18405.
18405, kilo 190.
KLM 705, climb 130.
Climb flight level 130, KLM 705.
Alpine 31 Fox Yankee, speed 170 or less.
170 on the Sun Country 1, Fox Yankee.
Kilometer 100, speed 160.
Speed 160, kilo 160.
Kilometer 160 ILS, runway 27 with a Delta.
ILS 27 with a Delta, kilo 160,
Bravo 75 kilo, do we step climb.
Roger, 75 kilo.
KLM 36 Golf, left heading 355.
Left heading 355, KLM 36 Golf.
KLM 96 Hotel, descent 3000, 101.
3000, 101, KLM 96 Hotel.
KLM 1602, descent flight level 50.
Descent op 50, KLM 1602.
KLM 36 Golf, left heading 350.
Left heading 350, KLM 36 Golf.
Left departure, KLM 603, 2100.
KLM 603, hello sir, flying radar heading 280.
Radar heading 280, KLM 603.
Bravo 75 kilo, climb level 80.
Level 80, Consavia 75 kilo.
Alpine 31 Fox Yankee, speed 160 or less, call 119230.
160 or less and 119230, Country 1, Fox Yankee, bye.
Alright, kilometer 00, call 119230.
11230, kilo 190. Flight for that, Grand on 3, Charlie Golf.
Camera ready.
Let's go in the 3
Check.
Charlie Golf, hello, ILS 27 at the Delta.
ILS 27, direct Delta,
Altitude
Grand on
acquired.
3, Charlie Golf.
KLM 705, call 125, 750.
12575, KLM 705, bye-bye.
Doei, KLM 36 Golf, call 18405.
18405, KLM 36 Golf 3.
Doei, KLM 96 Hotel, descent 2000, clear ILS 27.
Kijk, heading select.
Check.
Sorry, say again?
KLM 96 Hotel, your discretion 2000 feet, clear ILS approach runway 27.
Discretion 2000 feet, clear ILS 27, Command 6
Papa Bravo Alpha, call 134375.
134375 for the Bravo Alpha.
Dutch Grand 3 Charlie Golf, descent level 50.
Descent level 50, that's level 3 Charlie Golf.
17 Juliet, left heading 355.
Left heading 355, so 17 Juliet.
Bravo 75 kilo, climb 130.
Flight 130, Consavia 75 kilo. Departure KLM 61, 1800, Bercy.
KLM 611, goeiedag meneer, tail right heading 270.
Right 270, 611.
KLM 1602, descent 3000, 101.
Descent 3000, 101, KLM 1602.
Creed 790, hello, ILS 27, information Delta.
ILS 27, information Delta, Creed 790.
KLM 603, climb 130.
Right, flight level 130, KLM 603.
Total 75 kilo, call 123,850.
12385, total 75 kilo, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, KLM 603, right to Bergie.
Right, Bergie, KLM 603.
KLM 906 Hotel, speed is yours.
Ausfit, dankjewel.
KLM 1602, your discretion 2000 feet, you are cleared ILS 27.
Descent 2000 feet, cleared approach, cleared ILS 27, KLM 1602.
17 Juliet, call 11840,
1845, 17 Juliet, bye.
Ooh. Creed 790, descent to flight level 5.
Arrival, hello there, 17 Juliet.
17 Juliet, descend altitude 2000 feet on 1111, 27 track miles.
Just 2000 feet on the QNH 1001, here 17 Juliet. Vertical speed.
27 is iets
27,
korter.
Iets korter, ja.
Dus dan zet ik hem 6. 21 achter de 42. Zoiets. Voor de planning.
KLM 1920, turn right heading 155, cleared ILS 18 right.
Heading 155, cleared ILS 18 right, KLM 1920.
Ja, alleen dit is ook weer erg enthousiast. Dus.
Ja.
Zoiets. En 1001.
Ja.
Die moesten we nog doen. Approach checklist.
LT Marters.
1001, 58, 40.
Check, approaching speed.
KLM 36 Golf, turn right heading 090 base.
Right 090, for base, KLM 36 Golf.
Neem ook de ILS.
Ja, check.
Victor Papa Bravo, identified.
Yeah, my side as well.
Schiphol approach, goedemiddag, France 21 Kilo Echo.
Air France 21 Kilo Echo, hello, descend to 2000 feet, QNH 1001, 28 track miles.
2000 feet to 1001 and 28 track miles, Air France 21 Kilo Echo.
KLM 1920, contact tower, and 118.280.
1828, KLM 1920.
KLM 36 Golf, speed 220 or less.
220 or less, KLM 36 Golf.
KLM 36 Golf, turn right heading 155, cleared ILS 18 right.
Right heading 155, cleared ILS 18 right, KLM 36 Golf.
We zitten trouwens. Kijk, mooi.
KLM 7 Juliet, speed 220 or less, turn right heading 090 base.
Speed to 20 or less, turn right heading 090 for base, 150 Juliet.
Test Vito.
Check.
Flaps 1.
Hello, get now for Quebec.
Hello, Nava Quebec, proceed to Alpha Mike 241, 242, then Pivos.
Alpha Mike 1, 2 for 1, 2 for 2, and then people KLM 9 for Quebec.
KLM 36 Golf, contact tower, and 118.280.
18280, KLM 36 Golf 3.
Air France 21 Kilo Echo, speed 220 or less.
220 or less, Air France 21 Kilo Echo.
$2,500.
17 Juliet, turn right heading 155, cleared ILS 18 right.
Right heading 155, cleared ILS 18 right. Okay, 150 Juliet. Call gedaan.
Check flaps 5. Purchase arms.
Check.
Get a 9 for Quebec, descend 2000 feet, 1001, fighter procedure, cleared ILS 18 right.
Set altitude 2000 feet, clear 1001, fire the procedure, cleared ILS, 1 is right, go down for Quebec.
Runway.
From 21 Kilo Echo, turn right heading 090 base.
Altitude required.
090, from 21 Kilo Echo.
Altitude hold.
Check.
Furlough captured.
17 Juliet, contact tower, 1828 for things.
1828, go 17 Juliet, bye.
And a gear down. Flaps 15.
Tower load 17 Juliet from right.
Goedemiddag, 17 Juliet, number 2.
Number 2. Yeah, it's captured. Misdirect that.
...143, 148, misschien een paar knopjes erbij. 53.
Ja.
Flaps 30 alsjeblieft. En landing checklist.
Landing checklist, engine start switch.
Continuous,
Speed brake,
armed,
landing gear,
down,
flaps.
30 green line.
Landing checklist complete.
En manual.
17 Juliet, 1 is right,
Stabilized.
take the land with 180 with 8 knots.
Taking right, clear to land, go 17 Juliet.
Check, stabilized.
Tower put me down from 21 Kilo Echo, established ILS, 190 right.
Tower from 21 Kilo Echo, number 2.
Number 2.
Full.
$500. Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Check.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Speed back up. Reverse is normal.
Manual braking.
Auto brake disarm.
Volgende noot. En a gear down. Flaps 15.
Tower load 17 Juliet from right.
Goedemiddag, 17 Juliet, number 2.
Number 2. Yeah, it's captured. Misdirect that.
...148, misschien een paar knopjes erbij. 53.
Ja.
Flaps 30 alsjeblieft. En landing checklist.
Landing checklist, engine start switch.
Continuous,
Speed brake,
armed,
landing gear,
down,
flaps.
30 green line.
Landing checklist complete.
And
17 Juliet, 1 right,
Stabilized.
safe to land. Wind 180 with 8 knots.
Taking right, clear to land. Go 17 Juliet.
check and stabilized.
Put me down here from 21 kilo echo, established ILS 18 right.
Hello, Air France 21 Kilo Echo, you're number 2.
Number 2.
Full.
$500. Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Check.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Speed brake up. Reverse is normal.
Manual braking.
Auto brake disarm.
Volgende boot. And a gear down. Flaps 15.
Power load 17 Juliet on right.
Goedemiddag, 17 Juliet, number 2.
Number 2. Yeah, it's captured. Misdirects that.
Uh, 143, 148, misschien een paar knopjes erbij. 153.
Ja.
Flaps 30 alsjeblieft. En landing checklist.
Landing checklist, engine start switch.
Continuous,
Speed brake,
armed,
landing gear,
down,
flaps.
30 green line.
Landing checklist complete.
En manual.
17 Juliet, 1 right, safe
Stabilized.
to land. Wind 180 with 8 knots.
Taking right, clear to land. Go 17 Juliet.
Check and stabilized.
Put me down here from 21 kilo echo, established ILS 18 right.
Hello, Air France 21 Kilo Echo, you're number 2.
Number 2.
Full.
$500. Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Check.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Speed brake up. Reverse is normal.
Manual braking.
Auto brake disarm.
Volgende boot.
France 21 Kilo Echo, wind 210 with 9 knots, runway 18 right, straight line.
Amsterdam 18 right, Air France 21 Kilo Echo.
Radar 1407, Sierra 7, contact tower 135, 110. Radar 1407.
KLM 1407, contact 35110.
KLM 9 for Quebec, taxi Alpha, Quebec Alpha.
Alpha, Quebec, Alpha, KLM 9 for Quebec, dank u wel.
3160, ready for taxi.
Jennifer 3160, taxi holding point Sierra 8, runway 24.
Taxi to holding point 08, runway 24, Air Canada 3160.
So that's it for this flight. I hope you enjoyed the ride. Please press that like button if you did. And of course you can subscribe over here. I've got some more videos over here and I got a complete playlist over there. And that's it for now. Vliegpiet out.